Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best trailer adapter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for anyone who tows trailers, especially when dealing with the common compatibility issues between 7-pin and 5-pin systems. Ensuring your lights and braking signals are correctly transmitted is crucial for safety and legal compliance on the road, making the right adapter choice a critical decision for a smooth towing experience. Number 5. WOFTD 7-pin to 4-5-pin flat blade trailer adapter. Tired of complicated trailer wiring? This adapter offers a simple, plug-and-play solution. No cutting or splicing needed for a quick and easy setup. It seamlessly converts your 7-pin connector to both 4-way and 5-way flat blade plugs. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of trailers for all your towing needs. Featuring a copper wire link, it provides excellent electrical conductivity. This reduces the risk of overheating, ensuring a safer and more dependable towing experience. Constructed from durable, powder-coated alloy steel, it's designed to last. Its waterproof, wear-resistant, and flame-retardant properties mean it can handle any weather. Includes 2 protective dust covers to keep your connections clean and functioning optimally. This feature helps extend its lifespan and ensures peak performance. What we like. This adapter offers a truly hassle-free setup, eliminating the need for complex wiring. If you're looking for a quick and reliable solution to connect your trailer without any fuss, this is the one for you. Its robust construction ensures it can handle various weather conditions, making it ideal for frequent or demanding towing. What people say. This adapter works great for my Ford F-150 truck and my Sea-Doo trailer. I also found out that it is very tough and durable. I accidentally left it on my truck tonneau cover, and pulled out on a busy street where it fell off. I returned an hour later, saw it in the middle of the road, and it was ran over by at least one car. And it still works great. It works well to plug in the trailer hitch cover brake light. It is a nice part to keep in the truck to go from the 7-pin to the 3 or 4-pin in case I have to pull a smaller trailer. Works good and seems to be made well. Number 4. TrueMod 7-way to 5-way trailer adapter. Introducing the TrueMod's trailer adapter, designed for a seamless connection between your vehicle and trailer. It easily adapts your 7-way RV blade socket to a 5-way flat connector, perfect for lightweight trailers. Say goodbye to messy, dangling wires. This adapter eliminates the need for extra converter harnesses, and its compact size allows for convenient storage in your vehicle. Constructed with a rugged nylon housing, it's resistant to water, extreme temperatures, and shocks. This ensures years of dependable performance in various conditions. Featuring nickel-plated copper terminals, it offers excellent resistance to corrosion and provides superior electrical conductivity. This meets and exceeds OEM specifications for reliable power transfer. The durable housing latches securely into your tow vehicle's socket, ensuring a stable connection. Finger lugs are included for easy removal when you need to disconnect. What we like. Forget about tools and complicated installations with this adapter, it's designed for immediate use. If you value a clean and organized setup, its compact design means no more dangling connectors. Its durable, rugged housing is built to withstand the elements, making it a reliable choice for those who need a no-nonsense, long-lasting solution. What people say. The adapter allows all the functions you had before installing it. It lights up brightly and certainly gets the attention of anyone behind you. The LEDs are normally red, but when put in reverse they change to white. When you turn on a directional signal, half the light strip will illuminate for that direction. This 5-prong plug works good with lights and brakes. It works perfectly. My grandson installed the same kit on his pickup a few months ago and it is still working fine. Number 3. Oyviny 7-way to 5-way coiled trailer plug adapter. Easily convert your vehicle's 7-way blade connector to a 5-way flat trailer connector. This adapter eliminates the need for multiple plugs, simplifying your towing setup. The smart coiled design keeps the wire off the ground, preventing dragging. It stretches for tight turns while maintaining its shape and resisting weather. Enjoy excellent conductivity for all essential signals, including ground, running lights, and brake signals. Brass terminals and pure copper wires ensure a strong connection. Get started right away with this plug-and-play adapter. It connects directly to your vehicle or trailer wiring without any splicing required. The 7-way socket features convenient handle hooks for a secure grip. This makes plugging and unplugging a breeze. While designed at 5 feet, the usable length is approximately 36 inches, providing ample reach for most towing needs. Please verify your required length before purchase. What we like. The coiled design of this adapter is a game changer, preventing wires from dragging while providing ample stretch. If you often deal with tight turns or need a bit of extra slack without the mess, this is perfect for you. Its pure copper wires and brass terminals ensure excellent conductivity, making it a great choice for consistent and reliable trailer lighting. What people say. The ground on the round end is a tight fit, which is really great, so I do not worry that it pops off with the stretched cord. Wide-duty pay of ELE Trical equipment and durable made. Works fantastic, long enough to connect to my truck but short enough, it doesn't hang down and get caught on anything. Number 2. CURT 572815 foot 7-way to 5-way RV trailer wiring adapter extension harness. This adapter makes connecting your vehicle and trailer simple. It easily adapts your vehicle's 7-way RV blade socket to a standard 5-way flat trailer plug. With a 5-foot coiled harness, you get ample extra length for any towing setup. The coiled design also prevents it from dragging on the ground. Plugging in your trailer lights is a breeze thanks to its ergonomic design. The side tabs provide a secure grip for easy connection and disconnection. Get connected quickly with zero splicing required. It's ready to plug directly into your vehicle or trailer wiring for taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. Built for long-lasting performance, its housing is constructed from durable black plastic. This ensures a reliable connection that will never rust or corrode. What we like. This adapter provides a convenient 5-foot coiled extension, perfect for accommodating various towing setups and keeping your wiring tidy. If you need that extra length without the hassle of wires scraping the ground, this is an excellent option. Its ergonomic design makes plugging and unplugging a breeze, and the no-splice installation means you're ready to tow in minutes. What people say. 7-way end has ears, so you don't have to guess on orientation in the dark. Durable insulation remains flexible and rubbery after extreme hot and cold weather fluctuations. Provides ample reach for connections but remains coiled and neat, even after multiple seasons of use. Number 1. Reese Towpower 78118 wiring adapter. Effortlessly connect your trailer to your vehicle. This adapter converts your existing 7-way blade connector to a standard 4 or 5-way flat connector, ensuring compatibility with most trailer setups. Verify your electrical connections instantly with the built-in LED tester. High-visibility blue LEDs clearly display circuit status, allowing for quick and accurate confirmation of connectivity. Designed for durability, it features corrosion-resistant terminals and tin-plated contacts. This ensures reliable performance and a long service life, even in tough conditions. Keep your terminals clean and protected when not towing. The attached dual-use dust cover safeguards the connectors, ensuring they are ready for your next use. With dimensions of 6.5 inches by 2.7 inches by 2.5 inches, it's compact and easy to store. This adapter offers a professional and reliable solution for all your towing needs. What we like. The standout feature here is the built-in LED tester, allowing you to instantly confirm your trailer's circuit connectivity. If you prioritize peace of mind and want to ensure your lights are working correctly before you hit the road, this is the adapter for you. Its durable, corrosion-resistant construction and protective dust cover ensure reliable performance and longevity. What people say. Works well, great for testing your connection before connecting the trailer, confirms your vehicle connection is correct. Plus it has both 4 and 5 blade harness connections. Works great, fits perfectly, has a nub which hits the outlet cover and locks it into the port. Now I have both 4 and 5 pin in just one adapter. And the lights to confirm the connection is a bonus. This is amazing because it has the light indicator and works with both the 5 pin and the 4 pin. It's super easy to plug in, very strong and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.